Alright, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing, well I guess just unwrapping the new MAXIDENT album from Stray Kids. I got this yesterday at Target, so this is the Target exclusive one. But yeah, they had a bunch in stock, so I thought I might as well pick it up, and I really like the album as well. I listened to it on the train yesterday. And yeah, I really liked a lot of the songs. I think the title track is pretty good, but I like Chill as well. I like the instrumental. But otherwise, all the other songs are pretty good. I didn't think there were that many skips, at least. I'm not quite sure, but I know I did like a few of them. And that's pretty typical with a lot of Stray Kids albums for me. Like, I like a lot of the songs that they release. And they're probably the only boy group that I actually listen to on a daily, or at least a regular basis. But yeah. I got it for like, how much? Probably like $18 at Target after all the discounts. I had a few discounts. But yeah. I chose this very pink version over the other two, but I'm not sure. I think this is version B, I'm guessing. Yeah, let's check out what's inside. Yeah, pink is my favorite color, so it's actually perfect. I'm not too familiar with the members, to be honest, as I don't listen to boy groups that often other than Stray Kids, but I'm still not too familiar with them. I think that's Felix right here. Han, I think. I'm not quite sure. Don't get mad at me. And I don't remember his name. What's this? It's a tattoo? Kinda don't want to open it. I'm guessing it's a tattoo. You can kinda see a face there. It looks like a tattoo. It's wrapped up. There's a postcard size. Kind of thinner than normal. Here's a letter. It's cool. I think this is the pre-order benefit from Target right here. So we got this guy. Don't remember his name. Sorry. On it, it's like the full set. Oh, okay. Changbin. That's his name. That's cool. I'm not sure if this whole thing is the pre-order benefit right here, or if it's just the Polaroid. Yeah, I'm gonna just put this back there. And then we get a huge inclusion. My goodness, I'm not gonna be able to fit this anywhere if I even collected. Like, I'm not gonna be able to fit this unless I use get a full page kind of thing. Comes with something else as well, same size. Looks like I'm guessing, yeah, this is just the track list. That's cool. It's like a newspaper. And then finally, ooh, it's a huge poster. I'm not even gonna be able to fit this on camera. Oh, that's nice. It's a huge poster. It's double this size, so. What the heck? It's crazy. That's nice. I wish they had this kind of size poster in all the albums. I know Twice hasn't had that kind of size. This is the back of that. They haven't had a size like that recently. That's nice. I don't have any posters up in my room. I just have them still included in their albums. But at the same time, all the posters are like pretty small, so. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Those are all the inclusions. Put them all back nicely. Let me get some sleeves really quick. I don't really have a spot for Stray Kids stuff, especially since I only have their recent albums and I don't collect their photo cards necessarily. So I'll just sleeve them and put them Let me just get a few of these. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty short video, but I do have another video coming soon for the Itzy 2nd gen. What's this? What's going on? Oh, there you go. Itzy 2nd gen. It shipped out and I should have it by, I was hoping today, but I'm guessing Monday. DHL Express can be pretty fast, but I guess they couldn't get here in time for the Sunday. Yeah. So I should have that finally by Monday, which I'm really excited about because I've been waiting for that and everybody else has been waiting for that for a few months now. And it's kind of something you just you forget about and then you just suddenly have it arriving. So yeah, I got a shipping notification a few days ago. Let me put this upside down. Typically I put in the photo cards upside down in the sleeve and then in the hard sleeve or in my binder I put it in upside down so that there's no space for it to get moved around and damaged. Yeah, those are my photo cards that I got. Oh yeah, and this tattoo. And now let's actually look at the actual book, photo book. Yeah, I do like the aesthetic of this album, black and pink. I watched, what was it? I think yesterday was, what was it yesterday? I think it was the show last night. They performed live, or not live, but it was on TV. It's pretty nice. I like the album a lot. I think out of all the groups, I stand quite a few groups, but I really liked Fearless. I like that album a lot, so I bought a lot of those. And also, I like IU's albums a lot as well. Like her last album, it's already a few months ago now. I don't know how long, it's probably been maybe a year at this point. Over a year? I still need to pick up one of her albums. But that album, I had basically the whole album on my playlist and I listened to it a bunch. She's still my #1 artist on Spotify. But like artists like that, they don't typically sell in the US like accessibly or whatever, you know. Stray Kids, a lot of JYP artists, they sell at Target and stuff, so it's easy to pick up in the US. But other groups, like smaller groups, well, not even smaller groups, but like even Loona, they don't sell at like Target and stuff, so it typically costs a lot more with shipping and everything. But yeah, and also I'm lazy. I'd rather just walk into a store when I'm there and just pick up the album in person than have to wait. But yeah, really like the pink that they use. So that's everybody. I'll have to remember their names. Overall, oh, there's something at the, oh yeah, that's, of course, the CD. Forgot about that. So here's the actual CD. I really like I don't even have a CD player, so I just buy the albums for the inclusions and to have it on my shelf. But yeah, it's nice to have nonetheless. I heard that JYP is like pushing for albums to not even include like anything except inclusions maybe. I don't know how they're gonna do it yet, but I don't know. A little mixed on that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys soon with my Itzy 2nd gen unboxing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I see you guys next time.